Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Beautiful day here in southeast Kansas. This episode, we're just going to go out, find us a place to set up camp near the water, of course. Try out the Skottle once again. Got some steak and potatoes and shrimp for dinner tonight. It's time to hit the road. Let's get out here and go find a place to set up camp. Come along on the adventure. Let's go stop by a store, get some goodies. Great big Dollar General of Columbus, Kansas. All right, let's go in here see if we can't find some snacks. Well, got camp all set up. Probably hear generator running behind. I got the tent cooling down just a little bit. Got a little bit warm out today. Starting to get hungry. About time to get something going. Amy's on her way, so she should be here anytime. Got the Skottle out. Tonight we're just going to have steak, fried potatoes, shrimp, macaroni salad. It's been windy all day too, which I'll like at breeze tonight for sure. But it has been much cooler. It's been heat index 115, 120. It's been so hot my camera shut off. I can't even record anything. So today's been a lot better. High, I think 85, 89. It's been great. Can't wait to sleep on the Naturnest inflatable mattress. Tell y'all how that is tomorrow morning. I'm getting hungry. Let's get some dinner going, everyone. Well, it smells good and it looks good. Now let's see. Now Amy said it looks great. So I have a lot to live up to. She's a way better cook than me, so way better.
Thank you.
Steak's good. Even without steak sauce. Show everyone. Try to eat mine mostly medium rare. Amy likes hers well done. Very good.
That is delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't care for the potatoes.
How come?
I don't know. I just don't like them.
I like them.
I don't know. I just don't really care for them, but I'll eat them.
Have you gotten no fish?
I went a little bit. I didn't catch anything. Yeah, I suck at fishing.
You don't.
Well, obviously I do. Get some of this macaroni salad. I know you won't eat it, so I just eat out the whole thing.
I would, if I liked it, I wouldn't mind eating after you.
There's nothing like macaroni salad. It's just so refreshing on a hot day. Wow. Cool.
Yuck.
Well, everyone, I think we're going to finish eating our supper here. Turn in for the night. I will see you all in the morning over coffee. Let you know my thoughts on that Polaris inflatable air mattress. If it's still in at 10 in the morning, you'll know I like it. If it's not in at 10 in the morning, no, probably didn't care for it.
I forgot until just now that you had that. Now I'm super excited.
Yeah, it's already put in and everything
Super
up there.
excited to sleep.
Yeah, it doesn't feel bad. It feels all right. I laid on it and stuff. But we'll let you know our thoughts in the morning over coffee, everyone. See you in about 8 hours. Good morning, everyone. I slept like a baby on this inflatable air mattress. God, it's so comfortable. I do highly recommend it. It's amazing. Didn't lose any air or nothing. I like this air mattress so much. I got to get one for my Series 2. It's that great. Very comfortable. This tent, huge difference inside space compared to the Polaris Plus. This Polaris 2 is a lot more roomy. Got so much more headroom. It's just nice. Slept with the skylight open last night. Got the stars and everything. It was a beautiful night. Ended up turning the air conditioner off. I don't know, probably about midnight. Started really cooling down. Just ran my Bouge RV fan. Listening to the birds this morning. Got the sun coming up behind me and got the water out here in front of me. It's just a beautiful morning out. About time to go get some coffee made, I think. Pretty heavy dew on, so it's going to be a little while before we can pack up, but I think we'll get some coffee going. Sit around, just enjoy the morning. I'm just going to sit here and enjoy my coffee. This morning we're using Black Rifle coffee. The ground or flavor is called Just Black. I like it a lot. It's a medium roast. It does really well with the Stanley pour over set. Get awake. Got a lot of dew on this morning. It's going to take a little while for that to burn off before I can start packing up. So I think we're just going to sit here and enjoy the morning. Last night was great. Slept excellent. Highly recommend those inflatable mattresses, Naturnest, for their Polaris series. Going to be ordering one for my Series 2. Slept that great. It's just so comfortable. In the past, I've used memory foams on top of the factory mattress, and they're just a little bit too soft. This one here was just the right firmness. My hips didn't hurt. Amy had to get up and go to work early this morning. Asked her how she slept. She loved it. She thought it was probably the best night sleep ever in a rooftop tent. So that says a lot. How many of you are morning people? I love to get up before daylight. A lot of times at home, I'll just go sit on a porch, listen to the birds as the sun comes up. I think it's the best part of the day. Just so peaceful. Feels like I really connect with the outdoors, regardless if I'm out here or at the house. I get around and take my medicine here in a little bit. Those of you that seen my last episode, I told you I was dealing with some health issues. So next up is a heart cath. Be the first one I've done of those. A little bit worried about it. Maybe a little bit scared. they think I may have some blockage, so they said if I do, they'll take care, fix that, maybe via stent, or I think there's another way that they can take care of those. That's scheduled for later here in August at the 24th, so I might be slow getting some content out that week, so I'll apologize ahead of time. Be nice if they figure out what's going on with me. I get out of breath a lot. I get wore down a lot. Got low heart rate. They call it bradycardia. Most of the time my resting heart rate is in the 40s. I'll hit 50 once in a while with a heart rate, but most of the time 42, 43, 44. I even go outside. I can mow and weed eat, which isn't a lot, but the time I get done, I can check my heart rate. I may be 64, 65. It's about the high as it goes. They put me on a stress test here a couple weeks ago. Oh my goodness. That was work. That's kind of what triggered the heart cath. Some of the results from stress tests came back. They didn't like, so they want to go poke around inside now. I appreciate everyone that tunes in and watch all these adventures. We're going to start picking up our things here, finish our coffee, and head to the house. Get all the gear unloaded, put away and recharged, and plan out the next adventure. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. Till next adventure, God bless.